My next release is Rocky Handsome, which is on 5th of Feb 2016, which is an out-and-out Oriental action film.
Okay.
It's a very high-octane action film with a lot of contact action, as in martial arts and everything. And for the first time, I've tried something like that. Again, for me, it's a completely new school of action. Like Force also was action, but different action.
Yeah.
In Rocky Handsome, you'll see completely different action format. Also, the shooting format is very different. I've styled the film in a particular way. छोटा मुँह बड़ी बात होगी, लेकिन it's very Wong Kar-wai zone in a way. I'm not Wong Kar-wai. He's too big a filmmaker. So I've tried something in that zone where I've gone into blue lights and green lights and violet and burgundy, and the entire film has certain color palettes which keep on changing. So which is very Wong Kar-wai. So I've tried something new and different in that for sure.
So talking about Rocky Handsome, it was earlier supposed to come out in 2015. So is there any particular
No, 2-3 things which happened. Well, we were supposed to complete the film in December last year. But there were some date issues. John had to complete some other film. He said, हम लोग February में करते हैं.
Okay.
I said, okay, we'll do it in February. और 2 महीने की बात थी. I was supposed to do Drishyam after Rocky Handsome.
Okay.
Because Ajay and me, we had discussed कि हम लोग जुलाई में स्टार्ट करेंगे, मतलब अभी जुलाई अगस्त में.
Okay.
मतलब ओके, तब तक मेरी रॉकी हैंडसम खत्म हो जाएगी. And Ajay was, I think, trying to start his film Shivai. He was in Bulgaria.
Yeah.
And suddenly I get a call saying that, Arey, I'll shoot that film later in October. Can you start now?
Okay.
I was in a fix. So I asked John, Arey, ऐसा situation है. He's got dates. So is it okay if we shoot in June or July?
Yeah.
John is a very sweet person. He said, yeah, no problem. I also took the consent of the producers.
Yeah.
I mean, it is not कि अभी आई तो ही correct है और 6 महीने बाद आई तो गलत है. So as long as I was getting those 4 months straight for Drishyam, I requested the producers, I requested John, they were very kind. ठीक है, तू ये खत्म कर बाद में start करते. So that is why Drishyam came before, and now I finished Rocky Handsome 2 days back.
Yeah.
So now Rocky Handsome is over, and now you have a fixed release date.
Okay.
So it took some time, but कभी adjust करना पड़ता है. बाकी there was nothing. क्यों हुआ उसका कोई और ये नहीं था.
Okay.